So I know you've seen some videos about making money with affiliate marketing and YouTube Shorts, as well as making money with affiliate marketing and Quora. But I bet you've never seen any with making money with affiliate marketing, YouTube Shorts, and Quora. So let's get straight into this one. The website I'm going to use to find an affiliate product today is Clickbank. So hit start here, then log in, then come up top and hit the marketplace. Now this website has some recent updates, so it actually made it more convenient for you to find the top offers. So do just that, hit the top offers. And what you have here are the top ranking products. Now I like to keep things simple. And since these are the top ranking products, and this product here in the weight loss category shows over 288 affiliates making sales from this right now. And it has recurring income. So we're just going to go with this one. So to get your affiliate link for this one, so that when you share this link, somebody clicks it and buys it and you make a sale, hit promote and then create hop link to get your affiliate link. And while we are going to use YouTube Shorts primarily to send traffic to this product, we will be using Quora in a few ways to assist with that. So let's start on Quora. Head over to Quora.com. and search for the main keyword for that affiliate product that we just looked at, which is smoothie. Let's see what shows up. Narrow this down to questions. And also we want to keep this kind of recent, so let's choose the past year. So what we have here are questions that related to smoothies that people have asked over the past year. Are smoothie diets healthy? Can you lose body weight with smoothies? Will the smoothie diet work for you? So it's a little bit different from previous videos when we would have looked at something like just smoothie recipes. And one of the main reasons for that is because this smoothie diet recipe book that we will be promoting has a lot of smoothie recipes in it. So what we're looking at here is guiding people towards the thinking that they should look at a smoothie diet first. And when they go onto this page, they can see weight loss transformations, testimonials, reasons to try this product. So how does YouTube Shorts fit into this strategy? Well, each of these questions and answers, we're going to make YouTube Shorts from those. But don't worry, we're not going to be stealing them. What we will do is rewrite them in a way that sounds better, more engaging. But more importantly, we're not going to do it ourselves. I think you know where I'm going with this. I prefer to do this automatically. So if you wanted to try out this awesome tool where you can create all of these different types of social media content automatically, like answering questions on Quora automatically as well, then hit the first link in the description down below where you can get your 10,000 words for free to try this method along with me. So once you sign up, log in, hit templates, and come right down below here to Content Improver. And this is the tool where you can take a piece of content and rewrite it to make it even more interesting, creative, and engaging. So on that note, let's go back to Quora quickly and choose any one of these hot questions. For example, are smoothie diets healthy? And make sure the answers are sorted by best, because that is what we want to do. We want to get one of the best answers. So copy this, paste it into the Content Improver right here, and then hit Generate AI Content. And what we have here now is a more engaging and interesting response. Copy this, but we're not going to paste that question back on Quora. Don't worry, that is not what we're going to do. What we have there actually is the script for the YouTube video, for the YouTube short. Now, also using my link in the description below, head over to canva.com, which is what we're going to be using to create this YouTube short almost automatically. But you will have a lot more room to customize it. So head right over on this side to create a design and search for YouTube Shorts. Now, over on the left-hand side here, there'll be a bunch of templates to choose from. But these templates get updated really often, so they might actually have a smoothie template. So search for smoothie. Now, some of these templates are free and some of them are part of the premium version, part of the pro version, which means to get full access, you will have to use a paid plan. But again, using my link in the description below, you'll have full access to all of the pro features for 1 full month. So you can see if this is something that makes sense for you. The awesome thing here is, look at this. You already have templates to choose from that have smoothies in the footage already. So let's just choose this one and see what happens. Add this first page. Let's see what this one looks like. Now, it's not quick and easy tips. We can rename it here by saying a smoothie diet healthy. Easily adjust the font, increasing it, adding some text effects, maybe a shadow here. You can put everything on one line if you like. There's a lot of modification that can be done. Maybe even change this as well to this, lose weight. And let's see how that looks. And now to continue with this YouTube short, there are different pages as part of this template that you can just drag and drop right here into the different scenes. Add in which text that you like. And let's say you don't like what the footage looks like in one of these scenes. Like this one, for example. all you'd have to do is come over here to photos or videos and take any one of these, drag it and drop it onto the canvas. And let's see how that one looks. That does look a little healthier. Now this third scene is a bit long, so to cut that short, just click, hold, and drag down. Now there's something we would like to have on the last scene, which is a special note for the viewer to click the link in the description below. So right here where there's a call to action, we want to change this to something like click link in description for the ultimate smoothie diet. And maybe just to elaborate on that, we'll have an arrow that can point down. Maybe something like this one. So click it and then we can rotate it like this, point down. And that looks good. Now there's one more thing. Remember the script that we created automatically with Jasper AI? This one that we found over on Quora, but then reworded it using the content improver. You're going to need a voiceover for this. I think that's the most effective thing to do, where you or somebody else could record it. And that could easily be done on your PC by using the voice recorder app, or just using a voice recorder app on your phone by simply hitting the record button right here and reading the text on the screen. And to add that to your video, in Canva, come down to Uploads, Upload Media, and search for the audio file that you would have just created and add it to the scene. And of course, you can stretch it along the footage, however long it needs to be. Remember, for a YouTube short though, it needs to be under 60 seconds long. Once you're done, hit the share button up here and download your YouTube short. So when you're uploading it to YouTube and you're naming the title something like "Are smoothies really healthy?" be sure to put hashtag shorts at the ending. That is so it is classified as a YouTube short. But what's even more important than that is your link in the description, your affiliate link to the Smoothie Diet product. And you're getting that over on clickbank.com. Remember this Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program? Come over to promote, where you created your hop link, which is your affiliate link. Hit copy and paste that in right here and call it Ultimate 21-day rapid weight loss program. Because that's what they're here for, right? Now, there are two things that you can do at this point. Head back over to Quora, go into other questions and answers like, will the smoothie diet work for you? What are the best smoothie recipes for weight loss? Grab the best answer on one of those responses. Use the content improver over on Jasper AI. Enhance it and create your script, your video script from this. But remember, you're easily creating the content over here on Canva, uploading your video script, upload to YouTube, and then post your YouTube short linking to the affiliate product, the Smoothie Diet, where you can make sales. So it's just a matter of repeating that process to improve the chances of more people clicking your affiliate link and you making sales. Now remember, the tools to get all of this done you can find in the description down below. But because you stayed this long in the video, a bonus way of getting that initial surge of traffic onto those YouTube shorts. And you're using Quora again, but in a different way. To directly tie in the people from the Smoothie Diet product, search for Smoothie Diet. And you're then going to respond to some of these questions, like this one. But this time you're not looking for the best answer. You're actually going to reply. So you hit answer. Grab this question, what is a weight loss smoothie diet? And head back over to Jasper AI, where you're going to answer the question automatically by hitting templates, going over to new, and then coming down to Quora answers. Paste the answer in there, hit generate AI content, and just like that, you have the answer to that question. Copy this answer, paste it into the response over on Quora. Only now at the ending, you can say something like, find out if smoothie diet actually works. And let's say this is the YouTube short that you just created. What you want to do is come down here to share, copy that link now, and simply paste that at the end of your Quora response. Now that will definitely give you that initial surge of traffic to your YouTube short, and then from your YouTube short to the affiliate links. But you're going to want to make sure to do that with not every response. Quora is very particular about how people drop links onto their responses. So it may be best to do that in only every other Quora response that you make. Or to be safe, 1 out of every 3 responses. Now, if you liked how we used affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts and Quora, but was looking at a way of even doubling down the amount of traffic from Quora onto your YouTube video, then you need to check this video out next. An additional method of leveraging a Quora community within Quora to get targeted free traffic onto your YouTube videos, even if you're a brand new YouTube channel. So check that out next.